Okay, so very quickly, this is how you cancel your Siteground hosting account if you need to. Now, the first thing I would say is up in the top right, click the help icon. Obviously, this is after you've logged in. If you type in cancel account, then it will show you. Go to client area, services, hosting, which I can just click from here as well. Press manage. Then kebab menu, which is the 3 dots. Took me a while to figure that out. Then press cancel and continue. And also they would also say refund policy, just to be sure, 30-day for all shared hosting and 14 days for cloud hosting. Okay, so let's see. If I actually go in, then go to services, could have clicked that link before as I've forgotten, manage, and it's over here. This is what they call the kebab menu. And scroll down, I press cancel. And if I press immediately, then I have my chance of the refund. Okay, so continue. Yep. And there you go. And so I've just checked with customer service agent to be sure using the help options. And yep, I am going to get a refund. So I press continue. And in this case, I have billing issues. Yep. So let's say financial commitments. You don't have to do this. And then, they'll probably offer me some kind of chat. There you go. Whatever. Nope, I'm okay. And yes, I get the refund amount on this page, which is what I was hoping to see. Okay, so I will confirm that. Full amount. There you go. And I don't know how long it'll take because I've not done this before, but that is the process if you do need to cancel. I should add, I'm very happy with Siteground. I just stretched myself with an extra hosting package that I don't really need. So I'm going to cancel that and just continue and upgrade my other one. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Remember to give us a like and subscribe if that was helpful. Talk to you soon. Bye.